The following message is transmitted by the request at His Majesty the Fire King, Scorpion the Fire and Flame the Fire King. This is a message to the faint and ghost Wolf King, now known as Daniel Phantom Ghost. Daniel Phantom Ghost, His Majesty knows that you're seeing this message. It is getting sick and tired of you waiting to apologize to Kaitlyn the Great. You need to apologize to her and go back to be her user friend right now. Or else he will keep on burning your dark lands to ashes again. He will give you 9 seconds to do it.